Hello and welcome back to my language studio. I'm so happy you're here today. In this episode, we'll listen to a story about going shopping at the market. This will help you learn useful English words and sentences for shopping. I'll speak slowly and clearly, so just relax and enjoy listening. Let's begin. Hi, today is Saturday. I go shopping every Saturday. I take a bag and go to the market. The market is near my house. There are many shops there. First, I buy some vegetables. I buy tomatoes, onions, and potatoes. Then I buy some fruit, bananas, apples, and oranges. The fruit looks fresh and sweet. I go to the grocery shop next. I need milk, rice, and bread. The shopkeeper is friendly. He says, "Good morning. What do you need today?" I smile and tell him my list. After shopping, I pay the money. Then I say thank you and go home. My bag is full. Now it's time to cook lunch. I like shopping at the market. It's fun and I get everything I need. Great job. You listened a full story about shopping in English. You're doing amazing. Practice this episode again and again. It will help you improve your listening and vocabulary. If you enjoyed this, follow my language studio for more easy English stories. Until next time, happy learning and happy shopping. Bye.